Look, my name's Rick from Be More Social, and I'm often asked, how can or how do people get a job here at Be More Social? Now, that question is very poignant right at this moment in time, because we're going through a very, very big recruitment drive right now. And as far as I'm concerned, it's my values. If I'm to speak to you and I kind of resonate with you, I get who you are first, over and above your qualifications, then you've got a better chance of having a job here at Be More Social. If you just have a look at just some of the people that work here, that are some of the most fundamental key sort of figureheads in my business, you'll notice that they do what they do because they have a passion for it. Not because they're qualified to do it, it's because they are very, very passionate about where they're going, what they want to do, and what their chosen field to work in. And it isn't necessarily something that their initial journey took them on when they left school or university or something like that. It's where they ended up. These people, to me, are very brave because they've approached me and said, I want to do this for a living. However, I'm not qualified. Here is what I've done previously. Take a look at this. What do you think? How do you feel about my work? And that is how I choose people. People that come to me and express a desire to do something with their future, their life, their careers. And if we have a fit for that need, that kind of requirement, then the very fact that they're passionate enough to go out there and shift their current direction, to go out there and identify, watch YouTube videos, self-educate themselves into becoming what they are or what they want to be, that to me just shows the character of what they're all about. And I too will not only invest my time in them, I will invest in equipment in them, because I know that it's something that they love and that they want to be part of. And therefore, I kid you not, my entire team is literally built of just those kind of characters. There's often like some things that I look out for as well, and they're the qualities within the person. Okay, so when we're going through at the interview stage, I'll pick up on certain things. You know, my hope is that the very fact that they're passionate about what they're choosing to do is that they come with a degree of excellence in there. They do everything to the very best of their ability, and they're almost a perfectionist about it. They're always critiquing themselves. They don't need me to sit there and critique them. They're that passionate, and they strive for excellence that they are almost picking faults and flaws as they go and then tasking themselves with improving every single time. That I absolutely love about passionate people. For me as well, they've also got to be a great team player. Okay, here at Be More Social, we're almost creating a family. It's got that kind of jovial vibe at times, and I think sometimes I would much rather not have someone so qualified and somebody that excels in their job if they've just got this tone where they feel they're slightly better than anybody else in the room, or they feel that like they're just not the right fit. So they've got to be team players as far as I'm concerned, because we often work very, very hard here, and sometimes under a degree of pressure. But you know, an understanding of each other's pressures, an understanding of each other's job roles as well, and an appreciation of that is key as far as I'm concerned. Integrity, I suppose, is expected. I'm sure that's across the board. But the very fact that people are respectful of others and of the job that they've got to do, you know, we operate a very loose, if you like, a very open environment. So without integrity, you've not got the discipline, I don't think, to be able to give the company, your role, enough attention, enough persistence to finish your job. You know, people got to come in here and understand that yes, we enjoy what we do, yes, we have a great time, but without that integrity, if you are wanting to rock up an hour later, which is absolutely fine, it's not like an issue, you've got to give it back somewhere down the line. You can't really take the mick and sort of abuse this relaxed atmosphere. So people with integrity that understand whatever they put in, I'll give them. They will definitely get out of it what they put in for sure. And understanding that by abusing this attitude, this atmosphere, this culture that we're building, you won't last particularly very long at Be More Social. So we need people with the utmost integrity and respect for others, their role, and the company. I'm really, really lucky to have an entire team currently right now that love the job. From where I see and where I sit, they love the business as well and what we stand for. And I am very, very, very happy and proud to be working with every single one of them.